welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Nikki and I'm doing a lot of sewing tutorials, DIYs and thrift flips on this channel. And today is going to be a very special episode because we have a very cute guest. And everyone, let me introduce to you, drum roll please, Stormy. Stormy! What did you start? Meet Stormy! So Stormy is my friend's dog, and last month my friend asked me if I could make a matchy outfit for them, something that they could wear for their birthday celebration, and this is the one that I made for my friend, and this is the outfit that I made for Stormy. Stormy, say hi! So that's gonna be a sewing tutorial for today, and if you're up with another sewing project, then this video is for you. Just keep on watching! So I start by making a pattern from Stormy's old clothes. And the first thing that I'll do is trace the bodies of the dress. So after cutting, I'm just folding my pattern in half. This is so I can make sure that both sides of the pattern are proportional. And then I'm also gonna do a pattern for the strap. Now we already have the pattern for the bodies, the strap, and to complete the pattern, I'm tracing out the skirt part of the dress.
So here, notice that the skirt part of the dress has gathers in it. And to be able to achieve that to the dress that we are making, we have to do the slash and spread method on the pattern that we have traced. And after cutting, you're just gonna paste it to another pattern paper. And here's how it should look like, and our patterns are now complete. So here I'm just getting my fabric and then placing the patterns on the fabric and then cut it. So here's our fabric pieces and we're ready for sewing. So the first thing that I did is to sew a basting stitch on the top of the skirt. And then I'm just gathering it until it matches the size of the bottom part of the bodice. And after connecting the bodice and the skirt pieces together, I'm just hemming off the dress using my serger. Now for the straps, I'm just folding my fabric in half and then sewing the top part and the side of the fabric. And after sewing the straps, I'm just attaching it to the dress. And after attaching the straps, I'm just gonna put some buttons to design Stormy's dress, and I'm also gonna use buttons for the closures of the dress. And don't forget to also sew some buttonholes on the two straps of the dress. And we're done with our DIY. And this is how it looks like on Stormy. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated on my next videos. Bye everyone!